Hello kids, welcome again. So now we are gonna start our quiz. So have you guys seen any previous episodes? You guys know how the show works?
I've seen one.
Okay, thank you very much. So this is a quiz show where we have a total of 7 questions, special 7s, and the topic for this week is summer. Who likes summer? Okay, perfect. Everybody loves summer, right? So we have Indra, Netra, and our special guests Haritha and Srinidhi. Haritha, what is your favorite thing about summer?
My favorite thing about summer is my birthday because my birthday's in summer.
So nice, wonderful, a summer girl. Okay, and Srinidhi, what's your favorite thing?
Playing outside and eating ice cream.
Wow, I like that so much. And your favorite ice cream flavor?
Strawberry and chocolate.
Strawberries and chocolate. Nice. Perfect. Good choice. Okay, so guys, this is how the show works. We are gonna take turns, each team, and if a team does not get the answer right, it passes on to the next team. Okay, so wait for your team's turn to answer the question, and I just need one answer from the team. Do you guys know who the team members are going to be this week? So Indra and Srinidhi are going to be team, and what's your team name?
Team Pink.
Team Pink. Go Pink. And Netra and Haritha, what's your team name?
Team Purple.
Team Purple. Who wants to go first? Okay, I'll choose then. Let it be Srinidhi. Okay? Team Pink is gonna go first. Ready guys? And here's your first question. Okay, there it goes. What is the oldest running summer competition? Is it the Wimbledon, Olympics, FIFA World Cup, or Tour de France?
FIFA World Cup.
FIFA World Cup?
I think it's Olympics.
Olympics? Okay. What's the final team answer?
Okay, we'll go with FIFA World Cup.
Okay. Good. Let's see what the correct answer is. The correct answer is Summer Olympics. Do you guys know this symbol? The logo or the symbol of Olympics?
No.
Do you guys know? This is the symbol of Olympics. 5 circles. What do the circles stand for?
Running.
Running.
They
Good
stand
guess.
for the games.
The 5 major continents where the athletes come from. I should have passed on the question to your team, right? I made a mistake. Sorry guys. Okay. Anyways, the correct answer is Olympics, and it's called Olympics because in 776 BC, that means long time ago, the games first happened in Olympia, which is a city in Greece. So that's why it's called Olympics game. And the modern Olympics, after a brief stop, started again in Athens, Greece in 1986. Do you guys know that the Olympics is currently happening now? Where?
In France.
Paris, that's right. That's right. Good luck to Team Canada and India, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so the next question is for Team Purple. Which of these is a summer fruit? Is it the pumpkin, pomegranate, peach, or cranberry?
Peach. Yeah, peach. I'm gonna go with peach.
Peach?
Yeah.
Agreed, both of you?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if that is correct. Yes, it is peach. What other summer fruits do you guys like?
I like watermelon. I like pineapple.
Watermelon, pineapples. We get so many fruits and vegetables in the summer. Do you know why?
Because of the sun.
Exactly.
Because plants
So-
need sun to grow.
Correct. What do the plants do when there is sunlight?
They observe the sun for food.
And that's called
Photosynthesis.
photosynthesis, exactly. And you can see in this picture there is a man holding a big onion. That's from Alaska. So Alaska gets a lot of sunlight. So in the summer, the vegetables grow really, really big.
It's bigger than his head.
It's bigger than his head. For example, there has been a 35-pound broccoli, a 138-pound cabbage, a 30-pound zucchini, a 68-inch long gourd. So such big vegetables grow in Alaska, only in the summer.
Wait,
Thanks
what
to
was
the
the
sun.
last one that you said?
Like the gourd. Like
Oh, I thought you said goat.
no.
Yeah.
Okay, pardon my pronunciation. So, Team Pink, which country is the land of midnight sun? Norway, Russia, Australia, Japan.
Russia? Yeah, Russia.
Russia, both of you are going with Russia. Russia is unfortunately not correct. I have to pass it over.
It's Norway. Sure, Norway.
Norway?
Yeah.
What's the final team answer?
Norway.
Norway is correct. Team Pink has stolen the points away. Wonderful. So you guys can see in this picture what's happening. Do you see the sun setting or not at all setting?
It's not at all setting.
Yeah, so this is what happens. That's why it's called the land of midnight sun. So even in the midnight, if you go out, you will still see the sun. Do you guys like that?
Yeah.
You don't have to sleep at all. Okay, all day. And why does this happen? Because you can see in this map, Norway is very close to the North Pole. And the Earth, as it rotates around the sun, it is a little bit tilted. So the North Pole is always facing the sun. Okay? So the Earth is a little bit tilted on its axis. It's not straight. Okay? Remember that. So back to Team Purple, right? Okay. What does SPF stand for? SPF is from your sunscreen. Is it sunlight protection film, solar prevention factor, sun protection factor, or summer play fun?
Sunlight protection film. Sunlight protection. Sun protection factor.
The final answer?
Vitamin C.
Sun protection factor?
Yeah.
Nice choice. That's the correct answer. I thought you were gonna almost miss it. So what happens when the sun hits your skin? The sunlight has three parts to it: the UV rays, the visible light, and the IR rays, ultraviolet and infrared. The one that's causing us the more trouble is the ultraviolet rays. It can cause sunburns, right? So that's why you need to put your sunscreen. And the number that's on your sunscreen, next time you buy a sunscreen, look at the number on it. That determines how much of the UV rays it's gonna deflect.
That's also why our grandma doesn't let our little baby brother go outside to play when it's sunny. Like if
That's
it's
right.
before 3 o'clock.
That's right. So, but if you can put sunscreen on, then yeah, you can go. Okay, good. Let's move on to the next one, Team Pink. What is the hottest place on Earth? Dalal, Ethiopia. Mexicali, Mexico. Victoria, Kuwait. Death Valley, California.
Death Valley.
No, not your turn, right? Okay. Team. I like how curious you are. We are with Team Pink now.
Yeah, I think it's D.
Death Valley? You don't think it is this room right now?
No, it's not so.
Okay. And Srinidhi, what do you think is the answer?
Mexico?
Mexico, okay. Mexico is a good guess. But what is your final answer, team?
Can we do D? Okay.
Death Valley, California is the correct answer. So in 1913, they recorded a temperature of 56.7 degrees Celsius. That's really, really hot. So here you can see in this image how the temperature in the earth changes across different months. And California is here in North America. You can see it's most of the time red and hot, right? The places close to the equator are always very hot. It gets colder as you go to the
I
poles.
can sort of tell because of the name Death.
Because of the name that they named it right?
Yeah.
Very appropriate. Okay, Arita, now it's really your team's turn. Okay. So we have only 2 more questions. Which of these natural phenomena is more common in summer? Earthquakes, tsunamis, thunderstorms, avalanches.
Maybe tsunamis.
Maybe.
Tsunami, I'm hearing tsunami. Okay.
I don't. Let's just go with tsunami. I don't really know.
Tsunami, okay.
Actually, no, earthquake. Yeah.
Earthquake or tsunami?
Wait, earthquake. Yeah, earthquakes.
Earthquakes, okay. That's unfortunately not right. Team Pink,
Avalanches.
avalanches. Okay, final answer. What about you, Srinidhi? What do you think?
I would go with no.
Okay, avalanche. Okay, that is also not right.
Really?
Anybody else wants to take a turn? Yes?
Thunderstorms.
Tsunami. Thunderstorms.
Thunderstorms are the right answer.
I thought it wouldn't be thunderstorms because it doesn't rain.
During a thunderstorm, or what do you mean?
Yeah, because I feel like usually it also rains.
The thunderstorm usually has rains.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And it doesn't
but it
usually
is
rain in
still
summer.
more common in summer.
Really?
Yes, let's understand why. Because for a thunderstorm, you need heat, which you have a lot in summer, and you also need moisture. So it has to be humid. So the sun makes all the water evaporate. The evaporated water reaches up high in the sky, and then that becomes a hurricane or a thunderstorm. So that's why you have these short periods of rain in the summer. If it is very, very hot a week, you will probably get some rain the next week. Okay? So here you can see how the thunderstorm and hurricanes happen. You guys know what hurricanes are? Yeah?
Kinda.
Heavy wind, rain. And what is the avalanche?
Avalanches when like a mountain, a bunch of rocks fall down.
A mountain of?
Like from a mountain, sort of like a bunch of rocks and other stuff fall from the mountain.
Rocks. It's you can say that avalanche, I guess, but it's when you refer to weather conditions and natural phenomena. Avalanche usually means big blocks of ice and snow falling. It starts with a small block of snow. As it rolls down the mountain, it becomes very big because it collects more snow, and then it harms people who are at the bottom of the snowy hill. So you need more snow, so it happens in the winter, not in the summer. In the summer, the snow is probably melting and no avalanche. Okay, the final question. We are going to make this a buzzer round. So after I finish reading the options, you can raise your hands, okay? How do insects survive the winter? Where do they go? Do they hibernate? No, they cannot survive, they die. They fly to outer space. They diapause or migrate. Yes!
They can't
Team.
survive.
They can't survive, okay. And yes,
They hibernate.
hibernate. Yes, Srinidhi.
They can't survive.
They can't survive. Netra.
They can't survive.
They can't survive. So, let's say winter comes, they all die, they can't survive, and then do they come back next summer?
Before they
They don't come, you don't see insects in the summer?
no, they like lay their eggs in like space where
Mm-hmm.
it's like warm, like in the trees or something, and then like they just die, I guess, because they don't have food.
But the eggs are there, right?
Yeah.
So, all the insects don't die, right? They do survive. It's not the same insect,
Yeah.
but they do survive. So, if
Hibernate?
they die, that will probably be a bad news for us because we need the bees to
Survive.
why?
To pollinate.
To pollinate. That's what gives us more flowers, fruits, vegetables. Okay. So the right answer
Hibernate.
Hibernate is not correct. What is hibernation?
It's when you go in a deep sleep.
Correct. And
Like
big
bears.
mammals do it, right? The insects, they don't hibernate. They do something called diapause, where they go into a state similar to hibernation, but it's called diapause. Or some of the insects migrate, like the monarch butterflies. They fly where it is warm. They go to Mexico and then they come back in the summer. And some animals like bees, they just hug each other and sleep, so they are warm. Communal heat. And mosquitoes, they diapause. And insects like caterpillars, they just put on a sweater. They have thick layers of hair around them, so that protects them. And insects like ants, which we see in the summer, they just go into hiding and they don't die. So we need the
Underground?
insects. Could be anywhere. Underground, inside a tree bark, inside our houses. Okay? Wonderful. So that concludes our quiz show. Was it fun?
Yeah.
Did you guys learn something new?
Yeah.
Which team won?
Um,
I think everybody's the winner. Thank you once again, guys, for participating. Really appreciate your presence here. We will all meet next week in another interesting topic. Thank you all. Bye-bye.
Bye.